Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Today's big news, Reliance Industries to consider 1-to-1 bonus. आज कंसिडर करेगा सितंबर 5 का बोर्ड मीटिंग पे और स्टॉक इसके लिए 2% से ऊपर चढ़ा. So this move will also improve liquidity of Reliance share in the stock market, making them accessible to a wider base of investor. वही फंडा होता है बोनस शेयर का, प्राइस घटता है और जो एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टर है उन लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा शेयर दिया जाता है. सो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज इन न्यूज टुडे. नेक्स्ट न्यूज आ रहा है, अदानी एंटरप्राइज लाइकली टू डीमर्ज द एयरपोर्ट बिजनेस एंड लिस्ट इट बाय 2027-28. तो दैट इज अ न्यूज फ्रॉम अदानी. देखते हैं डिटेल्स में. So the news says that Adani Enterprise to set up the demerge, the plan, and a strategic move is part of the company's broader initiative to enhance operational efficiency and unlock shareholder value. The demerger comes as Adani Enterprise continues to expand its footprint in the aviation sector, managing 7 major airports across India, including Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. So the company has been investing significantly in this airport operation, which plans to enhance the infrastructure and improve service. तो इसके चलते अदानी प्लान कर रहा है 27-28 पे एक जो एयरपोर्ट वाला हिस्सा है वो अदानी इंटरप्राइज से निकल के एक नया एंटिटी क्रिएट करेगा. सो दैट्स द न्यूज़ फॉर अदानी. ऑर्डर रिलेटेड न्यूज़ देखते हैं. पिरामिड टेक्नोप्लास्ट. सो पिरामिड टेक्नोप्लास्ट को एक ऑर्डर मिला है अराउंड सोलर पीवी प्रोजेक्ट इन महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात से. तो ऑर्डर क्या है और वैल्यूएशन क्या है देखते हैं. सो द वैल्यूएशन इज सजेस्टिंग around 42.9 crore total EPC price. So that's the valuation. और ऑर्डर जैसे बोला गया कि इट्स अबाउट द सोलर पीवी मॉड्यूल. सो उसके चलते ये स्टॉक अपना रेडर में होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ आ रहा है JSW एनर्जी से. दिस इज अबाउट लेटर ऑफ अवार्ड फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनी फॉर एडिशनल 400 मेगावाट क्लीन सोलर हाइब्रिड पावर प्रोजेक्ट. सो एक एंगेजमेंट का बात हो रहा है JSW एनर्जी के साथ महाराष्ट्र स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ग्रुप का. सो कीप इट इन योर रेडर, JSW एनर्जी. Next news again, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. This time it is about a memorandum of understanding between MS Patel Engineering Limited. So RBNL signed a MOU with Messrs Patel Engineering. Anand Raj Limited का news आ रहा है. So the news is all about one takeover, one acquisition. So approved the acquisition of 100% equity share of Setich Properties Private Limited, incorporated in Companies Act, bearing this number. And by this acquisition, Setich Property Private Limited will become wholly owned subsidiary of Anand Raj Limited, the company. So keep Anand Raj in your radar. With this acquisition, the stock should perform well. News from Intellect Design Arena. So subject is referring to Intellect Forge, Forge's global partnership with Wipro to transform banking technology service with eMACH.ai, revolutionizing enterprise connected intelligence from financial institution. So Intellect Design Arena, enterprise grade financial technology leader है जिसके साथ Wipro का एक partnership हो रहा है for with this eMACH AI platform, right? So that is the partnership and that is the prospect between Intellect Design and Wipro. So both the stocks should be in your radar. ITI Limited, Government of India undertaking, इसको एक order मिला है West Bengal government से, and that is about EVM machine. So BAG is first EVM order from West Bengal state election commission. So सारे state election commission order place करते हैं and ITI provide करते हैं उसको EVM, the electronic voting machine. So that's the order ITI received. Details में देखेंगे. So ITI Limited bagged the EVM machine order, supply of 500 set after the successful demonstration at Calcutta. So that is the order all about. ITI Limited should be in your radar. Today's top gainer, TV18 broadcast 7.7% up. Whirlpool of India 5.8%. Gujarat State Petro that is also up by 5.8%. Concord, Godfrey Philip, Finolex, Sonata Software we have discussed. We got a good amount of multi-million dollar order. उसके चलते 5.2 आज अप था. PNB Housing Finance, JM Financial, Tata Motors 4.4, Amber Enterprise 4.1 and KC International. Again, yesterday I have got a video. KC International received an order and because of that 3.8% up today. So these are the top gainers. Loser side we have Welspun Living, EPL, CDSL, Central Depository 4.1% down. Tata Elxsi after a dream run of almost 20% in couple of days, आज 3.7% down था. KFin Technology, TU Investment, those are the losers highlighted today. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in next video.